The Autonomous University of Barcelona is known for being the greatest campus of the south of Europe for studying, researching and building society's future. It is one of the top 10 young universities with the highest international projection and global prestige. This has been favored by the growing impact of the research, the constant improvement and the ability to attract international talent. With almost 50 years of history, it's the perfect location for students to evolve in an academic and personal way. Also, it has some collective that promotes the Catalan cultural heritage, like Ganapias, a human tower team with 22 years of history. But when the UAV festival approaches and Ganapias put their clothes on, it happens something interesting, something worth of living. Nothing is comparable as living the 10th of November with Ganapias, because they are the heart of the festival.